Hi everybody. So I got this MGB for $350. It is a 1975 MG. It doesn't have a key, it doesn't have lights. I think the engine is all in there. Doesn't seem to be in terrible shape beyond repair, but some sanding, a lot of sanding actually, some welding has to be done for this car. And I will start with the engine first. I will try to get the engine to at least spin to see if it works, if it spins. And then I will keep track of all the expenses to see how much it's going to be to completely restore this car, to completely fix it. So I think the last time it was driven is in 1998 or 1999. And we will see. I will just try to keep track of everything and post videos of the process, and I would appreciate it a lot if you guys subscribe, so I keep you in the loop. I will be also working on other engines like boats, mostly, and mowers. And if you have questions, just feel free to drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer. Thank you.